Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to make a button in Pygame. This is the code. First we have the setup. This basically sets up the Pygame. Then we have the colour we will be using, which are red, black and white. Red is the colour of the button, white is the colour of the button when you hover over it, and black is the background. We have another variable that is just set to red for now. This will be the colour of the rectangle. Now onto the loop. The first line sets the background to black. This variable is constantly finding out where my mouse's position is. This next if statement is basically going through the mouse's position and finding out if it is in the button's area. It will then set the colour of the button to white, and if it isn't, then it remains red. The next part draws the button. Then after this line will display everything. Now we have the normal for loop, and it makes it so you can quit, but this time we have another if statement, which is if the mouse is clicked, it will go on. It will then reach another if statement, which would see if the mouse is on the button by seeing what colour it is. If it is, then it will print you press the button. Then finally we have pygame.quit for the exit. Now when you run it, there will be a red rectangle. If you hover over it, it will turn white and back to red. But when you press the button, it will print in the shell, you press the button. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Comment any video ideas and also comment if you have any suggestions to make my videos better. Thank you for watching and bye.